Buying the wrong soldering station can waste your money and make soldering more difficult than it should be. To save you time, we've compared the top 5 soldering stations based on heating speed, temperature control, features, real-world performance, and overall value. Every recommendation is backed by thorough research and real user feedback. Let's get started. Number 1. WEP 927-4 Soldering Station Kit. The WEP 927-4 is one of the best value soldering stations in this comparison, making it a great choice for beginners, DIY users, and electronics hobbyists. Powered by a 110-watt heating element, it heats up quickly and offers an adjustable temperature range from 194 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for circuit board repair, electronics projects, and general soldering. What I really like about this station is its combination of useful features and excellent value. It includes 3 programmable temperature presets for quick switching and an automatic sleep mode that helps extend tip life. Another major advantage is the complete accessory package, including 5 extra soldering tips, helping hands, an LED magnifier, tweezers, solder wire, a brass tip cleaner, and built-in storage, so you can start working right away. Pros: the powerful 110-watt heating, a complete accessory kit, 3 temperature presets, the automatic sleep mode. Excellent value. Cons: it supports 110 to 127 volts only, a slightly larger than basic models. Who's it for? Beginners, students, DIY users, and electronics hobbyists. Final thoughts: a feature-packed soldering station that delivers excellent performance and value for the price. Number 2. YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. The YIHUA 939D Plus is a reliable digital soldering station that's trusted by hobbyists, repair technicians, and DIY users. It features precise digital temperature control from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering stable heat for electronics repair, PCB work, and everyday soldering projects. What I really like about this station is its consistent heating performance. Its intelligent temperature compensation automatically adjusts the tip temperature to keep your work accurate and reliable. It also features a built-in transformer for safe low-voltage operation, along with an easy-to-read LCD display and a durable brushed aluminum front panel that gives it a premium feel. Pros: an accurate digital temperature control, a stable heating performance, the durable metal construction, easy-to-read LCD display, excellent reliability. Cons: fewer accessories included. Or supports 110 to 127 volts only. Who's it for? DIY users, electronics hobbyists, students, and repair technicians. Final thoughts: a dependable digital soldering station that offers excellent accuracy, durability, and value for everyday use. Number 3. FNIRSI DWS 200 Precision Digital Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS 200 is built for users who want professional-level performance and ultra-fast heating. Powered by a 200-watt heating system, it reaches operating temperature in about 1 second, making it ideal for demanding electronics repair and precision soldering. One of its biggest advantages is its flexibility. It supports both F210 precision handles and F245 high-power handles, allowing you to work comfortably on everything from tiny SMD components to larger connectors and heavy-duty solder joints. Another impressive feature is the colorful 2.8-inch TFT display. It offers multiple viewing modes, including real-time temperature curve. The station also includes 3 programmable temperature presets, automatic sleep mode, 9 soldering tips, and adjustable helping hands for added convenience. Pros: powerful 200-watt heating system, 1 second heat-up time, supports F210 and F245 handles, color TFT display, 9 soldering tips included. Cons: more expensive than entry-level models, Advanced features may be unnecessary for beginners. Who's it for? Perfect for professional technicians and advanced electronics hobbyists. Final thoughts. The FNIRSI DWS-200 delivers exceptional speed, powerful performance, and advanced features for serious soldering work. Number 4. Weller YIHUA Digital Soldering Station. The Weller YIHUA is a professional-grade soldering station designed for users who value precision, reliability, and long-term durability. Powered by a 70-watt heating system, it delivers fast heat recovery and outstanding temperature stability for clean, consistent solder joints. The biggest selling point of this Weller model is its outstanding accuracy. It maintains temperature within plus or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for delicate electronics work. It also includes an LCD display, temperature lock, standby mode, password protection, and an ergonomic soldering iron with a heat-resistant silicone cable for comfortable long-term use. Pros: excellent temperature stability, premium build quality, trusted professional brand, comfortable ergonomic iron, long-lasting performance. Cons: fewer accessories included, lower wattage than some competitors. Who's it for? Professional technicians, repair shops, and serious electronics users. Final thoughts. A dependable professional soldering station built for accuracy and long-term reliability. Number 5. SUGON A9245 Digital Soldering Station. The SUGON A9245 is designed for users who want ultra-fast heating and professional-level performance. Powered by a 120-watt heating system with C245 integrated tips, it reaches working temperature in just 2 to 3 seconds, making it ideal for demanding repair work. What I really like about this station is its speed and convenience. It features 3 programmable temperature memory buttons, supports both 110-volt and 220-volt power, and includes an automatic sleep mode to help extend tip life. The quick-change C245 tip system lets you replace hot tips without extra tools, and the package includes 6 precision tips to get started immediately. Pros: for extremely fast heating, or supports both 110 and 220 volts. A quick-change C245 tip system, a 3 temperature presets, a 6 tips included. Cons: a higher price, a smaller user community. Who's it for? Experienced technicians and advanced electronics users. Final thoughts. A high-performance soldering station that combines speed, modern features, and professional result. After comparing all 5 soldering stations, the WEP927-4 is the best budget choice, while the FNIRSI DWS-200 delivers the best value with its powerful 200-watt performance. If long-term reliability is your priority, the Weller YIHUA is still an excellent choice. But if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the SUGON A9245 for its ultra-fast heating, dual voltage support, and professional-level performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and full product details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.